These cormorants come and feed from afar in this polluted bay. And today, it doesn't seem so dirty. Birds are at an all-you-can-eat fish buffet. I'm here just like these birds, temporarily. Here to get shit done on my boat, Galopin. And my list is long. This is the last stop in Africa where I can get things done.
One's got to know his limits.
On the top of my list is my genoa Furler. A real big issue here.
And my limit is a pretty low bar when it comes to fixing things on a boat.
First thing was to get it down. And we're in good hands here with Dialo and Pop.
These brothers are just too cold. Dialo and Pop.
He'll climb the mast. Dialo and I will crank. Just another day at the gym.
The winch. Shit is hard. Good thing Dialo's here to help.
C'est bon. C'est bon. Pap released it at the top and Dialo took care of the bottom. Nicola came with the club dinghy and we managed to get the 14-meter forestay and furler to land. The yacht club has a newly painted gate in blue, but it was missing something, I thought. So I asked local artist Zeeze to put his talent to use. It would be my gift to the club.
This is our friend Dr. Zeeze. Famous Senegalese artist, man. I asked him if he could do something for this sad big blue gate, and he's making it happy. Aziz is the man.
Yes, sir. Improvise it, adopt it.
Yeah, man. I love this guy, he's so cool.
Hey Samir, attention. Now back to the furler. The guys had a solution. This used one. It used to be on a 50-foot yacht that sank in Cabo Verde. A friend of mine's boat. And here's my old one. Look at the bearings. Gone. It's basically impossible to fix. But here, sometimes nothing is impossible. I felt good about this. I could relax. And this is where I was taken to do just that. At this beach surfer bar. Chez. My man Oz brought me here. We met friends of his, including a Frenchman who had just stepped off his surfboard to sink a few cold ones with us. Oz told me he used to work near here. He had started a digital marketing company a few years ago. It started out strong, then COVID hit.
Voilà, je suis avec mon ami Az, qui a amené un super pain, avec une petite bouteille d'eau rosée. Santé Az, merci pour l'invitation.
We drank to our friendship in another sunset with a bottle of rosé. And by the end of the night, it would be 3. Well deserved, we thought. A few days later, the forestay and furler were ready to hoist and install. Pop had cut his finger, so he recruited Mgol here to climb the mast.
These guys are amazing.
That's one of his specialties. Took about an hour to line things up, then he came back to Earth. Looks like it's gonna fit just right. Maybe even better than before. Now is the true test. Let's put up the genoa. It took a while, so I'll speed things up. look at that. What I thought could be a real expensive problem was solved, man. And it's better than before, because the furler and sail sit about 10 centimeters higher than before. There should be no more wear on the bottom of the sail, and the anchor will have more room to come in and out. Friggin' amazing, man. Love these guys. All right, time for some World Cup action here. Cabo Verde is playing in their first World Cup.
Place look awesome to watch the game.
And it's against Spain. They got no chance.
Nice place. Check this out.
Well, I take it back. They had a 1% chance. Holy blue sharks, motherfuckers. They did it. They shut out the football titans. Man, it must have been crazy back in Cabo Verde. Next match was Senegal.
Us and I are going to the same place to watch the Senegalese game against the French. And we just stopped with, we're here with Faby, who was driving us through the market here. And she just bought a bunch of shirts for cheap. Hey! I got a Senegalese shirt. They only paid $3. I paid for mine 12.
She's half French, so she rooted for both teams.
Allez les Bleus!
Yep, she got me a jersey for a third of the price I paid for my Cabo Verde jersey. Sadly, the Teranga Lions lost. But there would be another match coming up for me.
So here we are in the Swiss ambassador's house, watching a game. Pretty awesome here in Dakar with my Swiss compatriots and watching the game, and they're playing better this time. They better win. Let's hope.
Yes, here I am at the ambassador's digs in Dakar. And I couldn't believe it, but here we are. We're in Senegal, and Senegal's gone full Swiss with Raclette. Holy cow, man. Africans can do it all. And in the end, we won. Not a bad World Cup so far. Next week, I'll introduce you around, and you'll see why I like it here so much.
Okay, this is CVD, Cercle de Voile de Dakar. I got to tell you a little bit about this place. This is why I come here all the time to get things done, to work on my boat. This is the last place in West Africa to actually get real work done. And it's a really cool place here, by the beach. And the people here are great. There's this great bar here, a bunch of drunken sailors here, and local Senegalese people that I hang out with. And it's become like kind of a second home for me here.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen, this Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this living adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.